Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share how we celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi or Vinayak Chaturthi Puja at our home this year. This year, Vinayak Chaturthi came on the weekdays. So we both were working and making some prasadams and arranging all the things for the puja together. And in the afternoon, we all together sit together and did the puja. And after that, we ate the prasadams of Ganpati. This is our clay Ganesha. We bought it from the Indian store, and this is the area we decorated with all the garlands. And this is the Palavelli. We were using it from past 2-3 years, and this is made by us only. We attached some of the corns and some kept some flowers for this Palavelli. Want to offer 5 different prasadams for Ganesha, so I shooted the most of the prasadams here. So I prepared the modak and undrallu and kudumulu and palatalekal payasam along with pulihora and vada. So I have taken some of the footage for these food preparation and also little bit of footage for the puja. One of the prasadams offered is undrallu. So for this, I blended rice into the mixie jar and made it to rice rava, and then I am frying it on the pan. So once it is nicely roasted, we are just going to add the water along with cumin. 1 cup of rice rava, I have taken 3 cups of water, and I am adding the soaked chana dal and also cumin seeds and ghee into this water, and let it boil for some time, and then add the rice rava into this and cook it nicely. It's like a just upma. It has to be cooked nicely, and then leave it for some time, and then make it into small undalu size. So that's it. It is so easy to make, and it is also good to offer for Ganpati. Made this kudumulu by adding the rice flour into the jaggery water along with some ghee and chana, and then I steamed this kudumulu. This is the first time I am making palatarikalu. With the wheat flour, I added the jaggery water and mixed with like a chapati dough, and with that I rolled into small rolls like this one, and I added some milk in that. I was keep on boiling it, and after they are cooked nicely, I just added the jaggery syrup in the mixture and let it, and the payasam is ready, and it was tasty. With the filling of coconut and jaggery and outside the covering with the rice flour, I made this modaks with the mold. After making prasadam, we arranged the Ganesha at this puja location along with the kalasham and made the turmeric Ganesha. We offered Ganesha with lot of patri. This is from our garden only. The patri contains the bilva, tulasi and ganneru from our garden. So we prayed Lord Ganesha with all these patri. We all prayed Lord Ganesha with lot of shlokas given in the book. And after puja, we offered different prasadams to Lord Ganesha. So in this way, we successfully completed puja with all our family members. To keep Lord Ganesha in our home for at least 5 days and prayed Ganesha with chantings and offered some kind of prasadams each day. So on 5th day, we are going to do the Nimarjan.